welcome. We are chatting with Chef Shailendra. He's known for his oodle style. और आपने पूछे थे शेफ से 3 सवाल, तो मैं शेफ से ये सवाल पूछती हूँ और शेफ हमें बताएंगे कि आपके कुकिंग क्वेरीज के जवाब क्या हैं। तो शेफ, पहला सवाल है, हम वाइट सॉस को लम्प फ्री कैसे बनाते हैं? हाउ डू यू मेक अ लम्प फ्री वाइट सॉस?
Kriti, very simple process. You have to make a roux, and once you make the roux, you pour in hot milk inside the roux. So when you are pouring this hot milk, when you have the roux cooked, what you have to do is keep on stirring it constantly and add a little bit of milk at a time. So what happens is you get a very thin, smooth. Yeah.
And Chef, I just wanted to add, so if I have lumps in my white sauce, is there any way to get...
See, the simplest way is let the sauce cool down, put it in a blender, mix it up, strain it, sieve it through a fine wire mesh.
And that's the only way.
That's the only way.
Chef, the second question is, mayonnaise, if it splits when we are making, जब हम oil add करते हैं, कभी-कभी mayonnaise split हो जाता है.
Yeah.
So how do we prevent that from happening?
Well, mayonnaise is again एक emulsion होता है. Mayonnaise is an emulsion, so it's basically oil mixed in egg base.
Right.
So the way you prevent it from curdling is by again dropping in the oil, the salad oil or the olive oil, whichever you're using, in a very thin stream, drop by drop, and keep on constantly
whisking it,
stirring it. Yeah. That's the best way to do it. And if at all it happens to curdle or split, then you have to start with a fresh egg yolk. That's the only way. Again, you do the same process.
Okay, so the third question for you, Chef, is how do you flavor a vodka chili mousse with vodka?
The chilies are steeped in vodka so that the vodka becomes a little strong in chili flavor. तीखा बन जाता है वो. And once you mix it in the mousse, you just get the chili flavor. So like most of the liqueurs which are based with a neutral spirit, that is like a vodka. So then you have something like a limoncello, which is lemon rind flavored spirit. Yeah. Or you can say vodka. So vodka you can use as a base to flavor a lot of ingredients can go inside a vodka, and you can use that flavored vodka to enhance flavors of whatever else you're using it in.
Thank you very much, Chef.